why BPM in healthcare? Now, when we started psHEALTH, we made a decision to go with a BPM platform to deliver all our solutions. And there are many reasons for it. Mainly because of the nature of the healthcare market, where there are lots of manual operations which can be easily automated by tools available in a typical BPM platform. The healthcare processes, or actually the healthcare operations, are very people or patient-oriented. The concept of standardizing processes is not that common in healthcare as opposed to most other sectors. So there is a lot of value that can be generated just by standardizing the workflow and the processes, which again fits well with the BPM platform's methodology. The other thing is, a lot of healthcare companies make decisions not based on like real hard MI, but based more on anecdotal evidence. And we were very clear about not having anything on premise, not managing any infrastructure ourselves. So we wanted to be very light as far as infrastructure is concerned. So Appian fit that requirement very well. Appian also had very strong modeling capabilities, which again was very important for us, being able to show our clients an evolving solution. Third bit, which was pointed earlier, is data security. The data security laws in the UK are very, very stringent, especially in the healthcare area. We had to prove that our software infrastructure, hardware infrastructure, the development practices, the internal policies and procedures are conformed to best-in-class standard. And Appian gave us that flexibility. And of course, scalability and robustness is very important, especially if you have these contracts which run for like anywhere from 3 to 5 years. The last bit is probably one of the most important bit, which is Appian's promise of being able to deliver solutions without writing any code. And we were very clear about this. We wanted to be a case management solutions provider. We wanted to be best in class in that area in the UK, but we didn't want to be a software company. So at the bottom, we have the Appian Cloud Platform. On top of it, we have built a lot of components which are part of a typical case management solution in healthcare. So these can be things like how referrals are submitted, how tasks and time details are captured, how notes are captured in healthcare setting. And at the top, what we do is we put these components together, which can be sub-processes, to create a case management solution for our clients. When we started in 2009, I think 80 to 90% of solution was customized with barely 5 to 10% of components that were like pre-built. In 2 years, we've reached a point where 80 to 90% of components are actually pre-built. And it's reflected in the pace at which we can deliver new solutions. AIG was our first client in the UK. It took us 6 months to deliver them, and probably like 6 months more to stabilize the application. 3 weeks ago, we released our latest client, Remploy, which is a big welfare to work company. We delivered the solution for them in 3 weeks. So that's all it took us. And that is the power of being able to create library of components and being able to use them in a case management solution.